mga tao na mahiyain, sobrang baba ng self-esteem, very introvert, and pinakaayaw ko yung responsibility and commitment talaga sa isang bagay. But when I was connected in the church, naramdaman ko yung belongingness dito. And na-enjoy ko rin yung company ng leader ko at ng mga kapatid ko sa cell group. And pinakita nila sa akin, hindi lang ako magiging isang cell member, kung hindi magiging isang leader din ako. And unti-unti, na-develop yung self-esteem ko. Then, nagkaroon din ako ng heart for my family. I started to pray for them. One church anniversary, I-invite ko yung nanay at tatay ko. And ilang beses na rin silang nakapag-Sunday service kahit pa sa province sila umuwi. I also prayed for the restoration of my sister's family dahil unti-unti ay nasisira na ang marriage nila. And this year lang, God restored my sister's family and they're now living in Canada. And hindi lang yun. Yung isa sa mga sister ko na dati ay makulit, ngayon is faithfully serving the Lord in abroad. Hindi lang doon natatapos si Lord sa life ko. Currently, God entrusted me people from different campuses and marketplace. Right now, I'm handling 13 students and isa doon graduated as a cum laude last April. I'm also handling 4 CPAs working in different industries. This Cell Miracle Catch, we were able to open a cell group in Navotas and in Universidad de Manila. And God even used me to bless other people, especially yung mga sincere group ko and yung family ko. I'm also faithfully giving my tithes and offering to the church. And lastly, I was able to buy a car, not for myself, but for my parents. To all crossover Kalas out there, I understand that we are all busy building our own careers and to reach our own dreams. I know we all want to have our own houses and cars. But I want you to understand that God should always be the number one in our life. Why? Please allow me to share my life verse to you. In Matthew 6:33 it says, "Seek first the kingdom of God, and all these things shall be added to you as well." If we always prioritize God in our life, God will surely give the best for us.